can write this as the summation of two terms, that is delta H plus minus T delta S. अगर हमारे दोनों टर्म्स नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं, then delta G will be negative irrespective of the temperature, and in this case the forward reaction will be spontaneous. It means when delta H is negative and when delta S is positive, if both these conditions are met, then first term will be negative, the second term will also be negative, and delta G will be negative. So we can say in this case forward reaction will be spontaneous, will be always spontaneous irrespective of temperature, whatever be the temperature. Now let us take the second case where both the terms are positive. That means when delta H is positive and when delta S is negative, then we see that both the terms become positive. In this case, the reverse reaction will be spontaneous and forward reaction will be non-spontaneous. So reverse reaction will be spontaneous and forward reaction will be non-spontaneous, whatever be the temperature. So these are the two extreme cases. Now we will take the case where one term is positive and the other term is negative. So पहला हम केस लेते हैं when delta H is say positive and when delta S is negative. Now we see, when delta S is positive, means first term is positive and second term will be negative. So in this case, this reaction to become spontaneous, this negative term has to be higher than positive term, then only the summation will be negative. So for negative term to become higher, this temperature has to be higher than delta H divided by delta S. When this temperature is higher than delta H upon delta S, then only this delta G will become negative. And this is understood by the Lee-Chatelier's principle also, because delta S greater than 0 means this is an endothermic reaction, and we know that endothermic reactions are favored by at high temperatures. So when temperature is higher than delta H upon delta S, then forward reaction will get favored. And now let us take the second case where delta H is less than 0. That means first term is negative and second term is positive, means delta S is also less than 0. In this case we see that first term is negative, second term is positive. For this reaction to become spontaneous, the positive term should be less. That means temperature should be less than delta H upon delta S more. Then only this forward reaction will become spontaneous, and it is understood by Lee-Chatelier's principle also, because delta H less than 0 means these are the exothermic reactions, and exothermic reactions are favored at lower temperature.